In today's video, I'm going to tell you about all of the details that goes into project management. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jenny Femi-Larcano. I am a designer, educator, and creative coach, helping designers and creatives just like you organize ideas so that you can create with more clarity. Playing both the designer and the animator in motion design projects, I've been able to experience firsthand what getting lost in all of the information and all of the assets can do. So by tracking the different types of information that I'm going to share with you, this can allow you to, one, save a lot more time on what you're doing on your project so you're not looking and searching for these assets. Two, it can help you prepare for the updates to your portfolio that you may or may not have been putting off for a while after the project has been wrapped. And three, this will help you develop a lot more clarity, so regardless of whatever size that your client's team might be, you can manage and create boundaries so that you can always keep track of the information that you're receiving. Just as a disclaimer, I do use Notion throughout the video, but this won't be talking about any particular tool. Project management is the information regarding your project. This is like kind of a summary of all the things that you've included in your agreement, in your contracts, things that you might have stated orally and committed to. That should be included in your project management information. Some of the information that includes in this deliverable details are the information directly from the agreement. If you've agreed to do a 10-minute explainer video for someone, then that needs to be included in here. 10 minutes, not 30 seconds, not 5 minutes. All of those details need to be agreed upon and at the top of your project information. Some other information that are included here are deadlines, links to your assets, if you've decided to agree to deliver illustrations or any design work, storyboards, when are they due? When are you going to be working on them? If you want to set the stage and make sure that everyone who's making the decisions are in attendance at those really important meetings, schedule those meetings ahead of time. So make sure you've included the most important dates, like the deliverables, and the meeting dates and times in your project summary as well. This is an example from an explainer video that I got hired to animate this past year. I tend to include information about what the deliverables are, the estimated time for those deliverables, as well as all of the different information behind each deliverable so that the client knows exactly what they are receiving. Whenever I work on a project, it primarily looks exactly like this. It has all this information in varying degrees because clients and projects tend to be different from project to project. And what this does is that it's collected everything that I've received all in one place so that I have a singular source of truth that I can completely control. Project roadmaps that I've received from the team, different mood boards that I've received from the art director, all of these things are all in one place so that whenever I pull up my work or whenever I get started on this project, it's all in one place and I don't have to go digging through my email. I don't have to be digging through my messages in Slack and all the different channels. I don't need to look through my text messages or my IG DMs. I only need to look in one place. That is just one part of the design project that I like to keep track of. Check out this video if you're interested in learning more about how I like to keep track of projects. And until then, I will see you in the next video.